my channel today, and today we're going to learn some items in the kitchen. The words you use to describe what you're doing in terms of eating, and the time of the you know how you have breakfast, lunch. We're gonna describe those kind of stuff in Igbo. So today we're doing, I know last time we did food based. Today we're keeping the whole food, pronunciation again going, but more of the kitchen. What do you see in the kitchen? So first of all, I'm gonna start with meal. Your meal. Well, your meal. You take anywhere. You can take your meal anywhere. It could be lunch. It could be your breakfast. It could be your dinner. That's your meal. So your meal is called erimeri. 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 Your breakfast is called nri ụtụtụ. Remember, ụtụtụ is morning. Nri ụtụtụ. Your lunch is called nri ehihie. Nri ehihie. Your dinner is called nri abalị, of course. So if you remember when we did the time, was it a time? I don't remember, but I remember I taught you guys, how to say morning, afternoon, night, and all that. So meal or meals is erimeri. Breakfast is nri ụtụtụ. Lunch is nri ehihie. Dinner is nri abalị. Now let's move to the kitchen. The kitchen items. What items you see in the kitchen? The first thing I have is spoon. Spoon. You know what spoon means. Spoon is ngaj. Ngaj. Ngaji. Ngaji. Nyemo ngaji. Give me the spoon. Nyemo ngaji. Give me a spoon. Fork is ngaji eze. Ngaji eze. Ngaji eze. Knife is mma. 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 Cup. Your cup that you use to drink water is iko. 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 Plates is efere. 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 Table is tebulu. Tebulu. Pots is ite. 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 Stove is ekwe. Ekwe igwe. Ekwe igwe. Stove. Your stove is ekwe igwe. Ekwe igwe. A glass, there's a butt of glass, a butt of water, or glass. Anything glass in it. So you have those cups that you use to drink wine, or just anything that is bottle or glass. It's called karama. 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 So stove is ekwe igwe. Glass is karama. So kitchen itself is ụlọ a na-esi nri. Ụlọ a na-esi nri. To drink, when you want to say drink, to drink something is ịṅụ. Ịṅụ. Did somebody say, I'm drinking water? Na-aṅụ mmiri. Ṅụ. Ṅụ. To drink is ịṅụ. Drinking is ṅụ. Na-aṅụ mmiri. Ke ihe na-aṅụ? That means, what are you drinking? Ṅụ. Na-aṅụ mmiri. To drink is ịṅụ. But drinking is ṅụ. So, achọrọ m ịṅụ mmanya. Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmanya. You're saying, I want to drink wine, alcohol, whatever. Mmanya is alcohol. So you say, achọrọ m ịṅụ mmanya. Ịṅụ. 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 To drink is ịṅụ. Gịnị ka ị na-aṅụ? It's what are you drinking? Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmanya. I want to drink alcohol. Ịṅụ is to drink. To eat is rie. Achọrọ m iri nri. Achọrọ m iri nri. That's to eat. Ke ihe ị na-eri. Achọrọ ke ihe ị na-eri. That means, what are you eating? You say, ana m eri rie. Ana m eri rice. Somebody say, That means I'm eating rice. Somebody say, iriele nri. Have you eaten? You say, eribele mu nri. Eribe mu nri. No, eribele. I just remembered something, but that's jokes aside. But it's iriele nri. Eribe mu nri. That's the response. That means, have you eaten? And you say, I haven't. Basically, you're saying, I haven't eaten anything. To cook is to share. To cook. Share. Cook is share. Kehineshi. That means, what are you cooking? Kehineshi. Ihe is what Kehineshi. That means, what are you cooking? Ihe is in terms of Gini mere. You know, let me say Gini mere. Gini mere, right? You say that means what happened. So when you say ke ihe ineshi, you say what are you cooking? So she is cooking. To cook is shihe or shehe. Dining room. The dining room is ulo erimeri. Ulo erimeri. Ulo erimeri. Remember, erimeri is meal. So I'm gonna just go down quick with what I just learned. This video is shorter than the ones I did before. It's gonna be meal, erimeri, breakfast, nri ụtụtụ, lunch, nri ehihie, dinner, nri abalị, dinner, nri abalị. That's right. Spoon, ngaji, fork, ngaji eze, knife, mma, cup, iko, plate, efere, table, tebulu, pot, ite, stove, ekwe igwe, glass is karama, kitchen is ụlọ a na-esi nri, to drink is ịṅụ, to eat is rie, iri, to cook is shie ihe, to cook is shie ihe, dining room is ụlọ erimeri. Okay, guys, that's all for today. I mean, you have to learn all this if you want to learn Igbo, right? You have to learn all the small words. So yeah, I think next week I already planned my, my notes for next week. I am going to teach you guys the family. How would you pronounce your family members? How would you address them? Like, your mother, what do you call your mother in Igbo? Your father, what do you call your father in Igbo? So that's what we're gonna learn next week. Oh no, not next week, I mean Saturday. That's what we're doing Saturday. So I will see you on Saturday as we learn the family members. Okay, so practice today's lesson, which is the kitchen and the stuff you see in the kitchen, and what the time of the meals and everything. I will see until then. I will see you next time. Bye. Thanks for tuning into my channel. I will see you when I see you. Okay? We're out.